Welcome to my
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the SO Show. Bring the band in. Yeah. Man, I get one, so I gotta go get it. This life getting all my attention. Don't you worry, I don't burn my bridges. Look at these words, I'm so artistic. Paint this canvas, looking fantastic. Even when I know there's madness, trust me, I've tasted the scene that happens. But I still go while I get it like a savage. So I don't worry about things I can't control no more. Taking all of my problems, put them on the floor. Let's go! Party like it's my last day. For every day I've been lasting. Everything's so crazy till I'm back. Don't worry about that. Live your life. Tomorrow gon' face yourself. Today will go all night. Hey, don't worry about that. Live your life. Tomorrow gon' face yourself. Today will go all night. Hey, don't worry about that. Live your life. Tomorrow gon' face yourself. Today will go all night. Hey, don't worry about that. Live your life. Tomorrow gon' face yourself. Today will go all night. Telling my bro, don't worry about it. Telling my sis, don't worry about it. Telling my fam, don't worry about it. Everyone here, don't worry about it.
To my mahal, yung taong lagi kong kinikwentuhan ng ganap sa buhay ko, the person who was there through thick and thin, my lover who always listens to my rants and hindi nagsasawang makinig sa mga drama ko sa buhay, to my best friend, now lover, and later my husband. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Naging sobrang patient ka sa akin and I will never forget how you took care of me nung nagkasakit ako.
Put it back together. You know my
100 po per portion.
I thought I learned my
60 pesos po pag mayroon.
I'll never be loved by someone like
Ano siya, mapagmahal na girlfriend, tapos very supportive siya simula nung college kami, working student ako noon. Parang continuous lang yung support niya sa akin, tapos from Alfonso to Laguna, parang thrice a month lang kami nagkikita noon.
Ang pagdiriwang ng pag-iisang dibdib na ito ay simula ng katuparan sa inyo, Angelo at Jasmine, ng salita ng Diyos na ating narinig.
Hanggang sa ngayon.
Bata pa. Panahon na nagagalit si Ate Arts pagka niyakan namin lumabas.
Panahong nahulog po sa ilog.
felt the sunlight of gold. And it's all I've ever wanted. All my imperfections, thought I learned my lesson. I never
Thank you po sa support since birth talaga hanggang sa wedding.
changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. You changed up my direction, but sometimes
Jasmine,
I still question.
bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Angelo na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Angelo, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jasmine na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. O kumanta ka na. O maiyakan na niya. I love you since 2015 and forever and ever. See you later in front of God and everyone who loves us.
Kaya nilalang ng Diyos ang babae upang may makakasama ang lalaki. At pinagtitibay ng ating Panginoong Kristo. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay hindi paghiwalayin ng tao. Kayo, Angelo at Jasmine, ay handog ng Diyos sa bawat isa. At hindi na kayo dalawa, kundi kayo ay iisa. At kayo ay magkaisa sa panghabang buhay na pagsasama, paglalakbay sa buhay na ito.
This love is the best thing I have found.
Sinabi ko lang sa kanya na nasa ER ako, ganon, possible appendicitis siya. Then nasa Alfonso kasi siya noon. Maroon siya nagtakbo from Alfonso to Calamba. So, ano siya, kinaya niya ng 1 hour. So, nung i-admit ako from ER, nandun na siya kagad. Tapos yun, siya na yung nag-alaga sa akin, even nung recovery. Parang dun ko na feel na, feeling ko ready na akong magpakasal kasi ganito yung partner ko, yun alagaan niya ako, ganito.
Ito na yung panahon para sa ating dalawa. Sinakda na ito bigat para sa atin. See you mamaya sa altar.
God planned marriage to be a permanent institution.
We're an ocean, a gentle power that could never be contained. Moving softly, like the rain that falls and dances on the plains. And every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have found. Like a garden bursting through the
Mahal.
ground.
My gift represents the two things that I have come to love and look forward when it comes to our new relationship as husband and wife. Small gift kasi you always look for me. Haha. I'm so excited of the future meals you're gonna prepare for us. Hahaha. Big gifts, peram ako nito. I look forward to our game night in our home. Sana maging mythic na ako. Yung laman niya nasa Laguna. Ang bigat eh.
Is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing I have found.